What's going on? Welcome back to another Disney Vinylmation Parks Series 14 unboxing. This is our third unboxing. We got a few more to do, so subscribe if you want to see those. We hope you guys are having a great week as we take a look at the box of Park Series 14 and the 7 different common vinyls you can pull out of here, plus the Mystery Chaser. Have we pulled that Mystery Chaser out yet? Go back and take a look at our other videos and see if we did. So let's open this box right here and see who we have in this one. This is a great series, and if you watch any of our other videos, we picked these up for $3.99 at the Disney outlets. Yeah, that's right. So who is it? Who is it? That is the Iguanodon from Dinosaur from Disney's Animal Kingdom. Alright, that just scared me just a little bit. Alright, quick little review of the magic trivia here. Before the attraction was named Dinosaur, what was the original name of this attraction? And why did they change it to Dinosaur? Comment below and let me know. Heads up! Awesome. I absolutely love this vinyl. It is gorgeous. It is awesome. There you go, guys. Another Park Series 14 unboxing video for you. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet, and take a look at our complete Vinylmation playlist. We have a ton out there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you real soon.
If this concludes your visit, we hope you've had a wonderful time and will return home safely.